Okay, so as somebody working in the tourism space, I'm interested in how artificial intelligence and large language models can be used. So we all know ChatGPT, and it's fairly mainstream now. And what I wanted to try out was just giving you a demo of where AI chatbots assistants could be used in the tourism space. So if I ask ChatGPT this question, um, give me some good things to do in Blackrock and County Louth, where I live. It gives me a pretty quick list, and it's that's accurate, and it's useful. Visit the beach, explore the promenade, dine at restaurants, church, shops, golf club. That's pretty good, pretty useful, and it saves me a lot of time trawling through the Visit Blackrock website to find that information. So what I've also done is I've plugged ChatGPT into um, Visit BlackRock as a test, as an AI chatbot. And how I did this was I used an AI chatbot plugin and connected it to my ChatGPT account. So um, it just connects the two together. So for somebody who doesn't know how to use ChatGPT, essentially I've made it easy. I've switched on this chatbot as a test in the test area. So let's ask it the same question. And it should give the same or a similar answer based on that question. And it doesn't give the same answer, but it gives a similar answer. Boutique shop, dine seafood restaurant, Cockle Strand. Cockle Strand. That's the one. That's one thing I've noticed with ChatGPT. That answer isn't technically correct. There is no Cockle Strand, but there is a beach where that has cockles on it. So there's little things like that, and you can correct it. You can say, correction, there is no Cockle Strand in Blackrock, County Louth. And what it should do is, I apologize, and it corrects that error. Now, there are lots of options on this where I can correct it as a member of the public, but I can also curate the answers as the website owner on the back end, and I can have preloaded answers, which is really useful if I wanted to give more accurate, up to date insider tips, local knowledge, maybe something that's on events that's not in ChatGPT because ChatGPT is behind from a listings point of view. So it learns, it can be curated, I can change this interface to make it even more human centric. So that's what's coming. That's what's actually here, and that's how it's working. But one other thing I wanted to show you was Microsoft's version, which is called Copilot, and it's very easy to take a demo. If you Google Microsoft Copilot Studio and you click on Try a Demo, I can put in the same website. So I'll put in visitblackrock.ie and I start a chat and I accept the conditions. And it says, hi, I'm a virtual assistant. And I put in the same question. It'll go off and let's see what answers it pulls up here. Okay, wow. Much more comprehensive, much more accurate, because I know, looking at the responses here, it has given me 20 responses, and all of these are from the Visit Blackrock website because I made the website and I know the content that's in it. It's interesting that it has taken little bits of other articles that are in the website, not just the listing of the top 10 things to do in Blackrock, because that has its own page. It did a full scan of the site because there's also a history of the Mary Stoddart disaster, which was a ship that sank in Dundalk Bay in the 1800s. It took that out as an additional piece of information, even though that's not necessarily listed in the tourism section of the website. The rest of it, Random Rock Walk, that was on, it's a fairly recent thing that was added in. So as you can see, they all do slightly different things in slightly different ways with various representations. But I think this is coming down the line, and I think this type of technology should be embraced.